welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to sign in into the Uber Eats account. To do that, open the Google browser, click open New tab. There on the search bar, you type in ubereats.com and press enter. This will open the official web page. Now here, what you need to do is click on login over here on the top right, click that. Uber Eats is a food delivery platform that makes getting food from your favorite local restaurant as easy as possible. The Uber Eats app connects you with a broad range of local restaurant and food, so you can order them from the full menus to your address. So once you're at the login page, you provide your email address or the phone number. You can also sign in with Google, Apple, Facebook. That is only if you have linked your Uber Eats account with Google, Apple, or Facebook, but we're going to go with the email process. So type in the email address, then click on continue. Then you will be provided with a 4-digit code to the phone number that you have used for the account creation. You type in that code. Once you receive it, click on continue. And with that, you will be logged in into the account. There's your profile info. This is a way how you can sign in into the Uber Eats. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.